Cleaning my hard floors should not be so difficult. Last time my floors looked like this, I got out my bucket, my scrub brush, my gloves. I got down on my hands and knees and scrubbed for what felt like all day. So tiring and so old school. Well, I'm leaving the crawling to the kids because I just got the Hoover PowerDash hard floor cleaner. This handy machine takes the hard work out of hard floor cleaning. It's so easy. You just add some water and Hoover's Paws and Claws solution, then pull the trigger and go. Unlike mops, I'm always cleaning with clean water. And those amazing spin scrub brushes do all the work for me, making those stuck-on messes a breeze to clean. Whether I'm cleaning my sealed hardwood floors, the tile in my bathrooms, or my laminate floors, the PowerDash hard floor cleans them all. And best of all, it suctions as it goes, sucking up all that dirty water so I'm not just pushing it around. I'd like to see my mop do that. And just like that, I'm done. Beautiful, just scrubbed floors in no time. No crawling required.
The Hoover PowerDash Hard Floor Cleaner. It does the dirty work for you.
Deep cleaning with your ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro is easy. We'll show you how. To start, plug it into the nearest grounded outlet. Next, select Deep Cleaning Mode. Turn on your machine by pressing the power button on the side of the body. Now, recline your machine for use by pressing the recline pedal with your foot. Start by pulling the spray trigger. Make one slow pass forward and back over the area you want cleaned while still gripping the spray trigger. Then release the spray trigger. With the spray trigger released, make one slow pass forward and back to extract the dirty solution. Repeat this cleaning action throughout your carpeted areas for a deep clean. The Revolution Pet Pro is easy to maneuver under and around furniture. Don't forget about those hard-to-reach areas. After a few hours, your carpet should be dry and clean, thanks to you and your Revolution Pet Pro.
when your 2-year-old spills the entire cup of chocolate milk right onto the carpet, and you only have enough time to blot it up before you're out the door. And its stain lives on for months as a reminder to chaperone snack time. Then, the puppy pees. Dirty shoes get worn inside, paint misses the paper. Girls' night, enough said. Before you know it, you need to do a full-on deep clean to save your sanity. That's why we have my newest best friend, the Hoover Smartwash. This is the only carpet washer that makes deep cleaning literally as easy as vacuuming. Yep, there's no trigger to squeeze, no measuring to do, and really nothing to think about. Just push the carpet washer forward and it knows to wash your carpets with the perfect amount of water in solution. Pull it back and it picks it up with super strong suction. See? Amazing results without using a heavy, dirty rinse-all. And since it has a dry-only mode to pick up any extra water, these carpets will be dry in no time. Seriously, I might even carpet wash more often. Ah, yes, a good old mystery stain. You know what? It doesn't even matter because these Flex Force Power brushes really get deep into the carpet for a super effective clean. Oh, and those well-traveled spots? Got it. See that? It's almost like new. That's the power of SmartWash.
Check out the newest innovation in carpet washing, plus our lineup of powerful solutions at your favorite retailer today. The Hoover Smartwatch Carpet Cleaner. Powerful results, seriously simple.